What's up everybody, it's Pokebug here with my first ever YouTube video, and today I will be opening up this Umbreon tin that I found at Walmart. I've never opened up one of these tins before, and I've been collecting a lot recently. My fiance, a bunch of my friends that I've been telling, and I've been opening up a bunch of packs, told me to start a YouTube channel so they can see it, so hopefully they're watching me, and let's get right into it. Honestly, I'm just very excited to open this up. Take out all of this. There we go. Here we got this Umbreon promo card. This is very nice. I love Umbreon. It's one of my favorite evolutions. Here, it's a very beautiful card. Amazing to look at. Definitely going in the binder for me. Here's that. And we have 5 booster packs in here. We got 1 Brilliant Stars, another Brilliant Stars, a Fusion Strike, Evolving Skies, and the Sword and Shield base set pack. Now this, I would love to be able to pull the Snorlax. I think it's an alternate art with him laying down. And then Evolving Skies, there's so many things I need to pull out of here, including the Umbreon alternate art, the Rayquaza ultimate art. Alternate art would just be amazing to pull out of there. Fusion Strike, I really want to get that Gengar or one of the Mews. And then Brilliant Stars, give me a Charizard or Arceus V, I'd be happy with that. And let's get right into it, man. I'm very excited. I'm gonna start with the Sword and Shield base set because I think I'm least excited about this one. Here we go. Green and white code card. That for y'all. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna flip that energy. It's a water type. Let's see what we get in here. We got a Sea King, an Ordinary Rod, a BB, Score Bunny, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed. We got a reverse Vulpix. We've also got a hollow Frostmoth. Look at that. It looks amazing. Let's put these to the side. Alright, now let's get into this Fusion Strike. As I said, I would love to get the Gengar out of here, the alternate art Gengar. It's my fiance's favorite Pokemon, so I'd love to be able to pull that. Got the code card for y'all right here. We got 1, 2, 3 to the back. Flip that energy. It's fire type. Hopefully we get the same sort of luck. Lilisk, Dunsparce. Okay. Crubbin. Mankey, Croagunk, Pansear, ooh, reverse Dreadnought. We got a non-holographic Electros. Alright, that's fine. Go ahead and get these big headers out the way. Brilliant Stars. This is an amazing set of cards. I love the Arceus art, so I'm very excited for the next packs to come out, the Lost Origins. I have a few pre-orders coming, so hopefully we'll be able to get those in, and I'll be able to put out videos of me opening those up. Okay. Code card here for y'all. 1, 2, 3. Flip. Fire type again. Got Prinplup. Who is that? Inferno. Beartick, Execute, Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Carablast, Nose Pass, Reverse Hollow, and then, oh man, we got a Mothim non-hollow in there. It's alright. Ain't mad about that one. We got another Brilliant Stars here. So, crack this bad boy open. Code card here. 1, 2, 3. Flip that. Ooh, Psychic. Pachirisu, Kindler, Collapse Stadium, Clink, Denden, Cubchoo, Duskull, Farfetch'd, Reverse Friends and Galar. Oh, and we got the Gerudogon non-hollow. Alright. I see how this tin's doing me. It's alright. It's probably my favorite set in the Sword and Shield era. Evolving Skies. There are so many artworks I want to get out of here. I have a booster box of Evolving Skies, and I'm hoping to be able to put onto the channel soon. So y'all stick around for that. Pikachu though, it's fun. Evolving Skies. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic out of here. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip. It's electric. Let's see. We got Fanged Dragon. Floette. What the hell? Bold Boar. Cutie Fly. Applin. Sable Eye inside the Crystal Cave. Nickit. Bergmite. Rayhan. Reverse. Oh, into a Drampa non-hollow. Alright guys, well that'll be it for this video. I'm sorry I didn't pull anything crazy. This is just my first video on here. I'm very excited to put it out for y'all. Very excited to get started on this channel. I'm hoping y'all stick around with me. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. And yeah, that's it. See ya.